So this is how you scribble yourself your Rubik's Cube tutorial. So I want you to have the blue side, the yellow is on top, the blue is down the middle, the red is on the right side, and the orange on the left. So one of my favorite ways to scribble it is to turn this part, do this part, turn this part, all away. So stop. You can do any part you want, but just try to remember the cube order. So once you've done, this is how it sounded. Remember the pattern in your head. I don't know why I did that, but in your head. But then you go. I don't ever see the phone physically. I just move my left hand too, because I have to do stuff in my hands. I'm holding this Rubik's Cube. And there you go, so.